Jeremy might get super rich from this. Super rich from Tattoo Chef. This video I'm gonna be talking about Tattoo Chef being the next GameStop. First of all, we'll talk about the fundamentals. I don't think fundamentals even matter for this company anymore. I think the stock price is going a lot higher. I think the stock's going to get squeezed to the upside in a big way. But hey, this is my opinion, and at the end of the day, it might not happen. Only time will tell. We'll see what happens long term. We'll see what happens in the coming months. But there's a few things that Tattoo Chef shares with GameStop. First of all, it's one of retail favorites. There's a lot of short sellers after the stock. There's a really tight float, like 41 million shares float. The total outstanding shares is 81.95 million. You know who also had a very tight float? That's right, GameStop. GameStop has a float of 70 million. Well, it had a lot less before, but right now they currently have a total outstanding shares of 74 million. Very similar to Tattoo Chef of 81.95. Tattoo Chef has a way tighter float than GameStop at 56.38. And then, according to Jeremy, there's also been a huge increase of activity in shorts, and they are panicking and freaking out right now. And there's a lot of people gambling that from the option chain that Tattoo Chef will short squeeze and go a lot higher than what it currently is right now at $23.20. It could be wrong. This is speculation. I have a 0 position in Tattoo Chef, but you know what? I'm not gonna bet against it. And if the stock price drops a little bit, I might bet a little bit for fun, just in case it does have a short squeeze, and at least I'm in it for the ride. I don't know if it will. We'll see what happens, but it's possible. I mean, you know the fundamentals, it's terrible. I mean, I think it's a terrible fundamentals, right? They make $50 million of revenue, but 42 almost $43 million is cost to revenue, and their gross profit is a measly $8 million out of the $50 million. They literally make like, I don't know, like 15% or 15% gross margin. That's terrible. And then the operational expenses is like 15 million, 16 million. So they're spending way more than what their profits is. So fundamentals are terrible for this company. But GameStop also has terrible fundamentals. They're going bankrupt, man. Oh, they were going to go bankrupt until the retail investors pumped it and saved it from bankruptcy, because we all know that gaming is going digital, and if it wasn't for Ryan Cohen, I think the stock price, I think GameStop would eventually go bankrupt. But because they have the ability to raise billions of dollars, it's not gonna go bankrupt. Not anytime soon. Even if Ryan Cohen failed, it's probably not gonna go bankrupt for like another 10 to 20 years. So even like Ryan Cohen's not gonna fail completely. He's gonna change the company a little bit to at least survivability, but it doesn't matter to retail investors. They're only in it for the screw the shorts over for GameStop. So they don't care about the fundamentals of GameStop. They don't care about the future of GameStop. They only care about screwing over the shorts. But again, there's also I also believe that Ryan Cohen and his rich billionaire buddies are helping him pump the stock, because it does have a valuation of almost 6, like 15.5, like 15.69 billion dollars. That's a lot. That's a big market cap. So that's what I believe. But hey, we'll see. Maybe Tattoo Chef could be GameStop. I don't know. That's pure speculation at the end of the day. So we'll see. Hello, pal. Got another pump today. It's sitting at 91 cents. It pulled back and got bought up again. So it looks like there's a lot of bullish people on Hello, pal. We'll see where this goes. Earnings should be around the corner very, very soon here. So yeah, people bullish. I'm happy because I'm a shareholder. I wish I bought some when it was sitting at 60 cents, or when, if I wasn't sleeping in this morning, I could have bought some more. But hey, whatever. I'm hoping for a pullback. If it doesn't, then hey, I'm still in for a ride. I still have shares, so you know, I'll camp it. If it keeps going up, great. I'm not selling the stock. I think I think there's a potential for it to go back to like a $2. But hey, that's my opinion and not financial advice at the end of the day. The overall market, brand new 52-week high. The market does not seem to want to crash. Oil going back to its 52-week high. $70 right now. Gold's under a little bit of pressure. We'll see what the market does with that. Lordstown Motor. Lordstown, I'm very bullish for Lordstown. I believe that Lordstown is going higher. But hey, that's my opinion. I think that the new CEO, the new truck, earnings around the corner. I mean, yeah. The new truck will help big time, in my opinion. We'll see what happens. Workhorse, under a little bit. Workhorse was under investigation. The SEC probe of EV startup. Workhorse was like, I followed Workhorse for quite a while back in the day because the stock got pumped to the moon. So I mean, it went from like $2 all the way up to like $40 at one point in February. And Workhorse sure promised a lot. They were promising that that their revenues were gonna grow, and well, at least according to management, they're like, oh, we're gonna grow so much, we're ready for production. And just looking at their revenue, it's terrible, like barely making any money. Like 1.3 million, like wow. 1.4 million, like where's the trucks? Like what's going on? What happened? Where's all the orders, the order flow, and why they're not making trucks? They're probably blaming it on the pandemic. I mean, I haven't really listened to the earnings report lately, but I did listen to like a couple at least, and there was a lot of promise in this company, and it's failing to deliver. So it is what it is. Bitcoin is up, and Ianthus is trading sideways, and Funwares kind of like pissed me off a little bit, but I kind of knew that this could happen. Kind of knew that even if I'm not a shareholder, it doesn't matter. If big money wants to push Funware up, it is what it is. So still a little pissed off because like I sold at like $1 ish, and it's sitting at $1.14. But it is what it is. I'll keep an eye on it. But Funware had like so much news lately, and they just been pumping out press release after press release, and they said that Funware launches Funcoin, and where's Funcoin? It's not in the Fun Wallet app, so I don't know. Whatever. Rich people want to pump it. It is what it is. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub and have a great day. Bye.